Pineapple Nico Video Channel 2025 presents. Dark Tornado Charlie the Anteater yells oh at Christina / pushing the Christina / grounded.
Hi. I'm Dark Tornado Charlie the Anteater, and today, I'm going to yell oh at Christina. And you pushing the people or anyone else. Ha 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 ha.
We have sometimes the Thanksgiving break without last longer.
I know 24. I wish something.
How could you be so brave? I can't believe you guys are national talent today anymore! That's it! I'm not gonna go to the table!
Why? Ouch! My leg. He pushing at me, it really hurts.
Well, Christina, I wish you got figure myself out. It's Molly.
Dark Tornado Charlie the Anteater. And I'm yelling at me and pushing Christina. That's it. Go home right now and they're calling parents about this.
No.
You know what? Oh my god. Thanks for telling us. Goodbye. Dark Tornado Charlie the Anteater. We just called phone with 23. He told us that yelling at Christina while pushing the Christina. And you got banjo, it's gone.
Your father's right, Dark Tornado Charlie the Anteater. You know that allowed to do that at all. That's it. You are grounded for 5 weeks.
Now go to your room right now and think about what you've done.